So, I have 5 minutes to convince you why you should use HSTS. I'm gonna tell you what is it. So, HSTS stands for HTTP Strip Transport Security. And I named this slide the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good stands for HTTPS without HSTS. The bad is HTTP. And the ugly, of course, is just plain text stuff. So, who am I? I'm Nikos Danopoulos, a high school student, junior IT security consultant at FIBSG Consulting, open source supporter, and I'm a contributor at OWASP, and Hacking Fun. So, what is it? Actually, it's just a security policy mechanism. It was published a long of time ago. Many of you probably already know about this. It was published and drafted by IETF at RFC 6797, and it's simply an HTTP response header. Something really cool. So that's how it looks on our response header. We can see the strict transport security and the max age, which actually tell our browser for how long we will have to browse the site only with HTTPS. So the solutions that are provided by HSTS. As we know, SSL TLS already had many problems, and here is what HSTS did. We avoided man-the-middle attacks and SSL strip attacks, almost. For example, let's say that you are at a cafe and you want to do some banking. The bad guy sniffs the network and tries to downgrade the connection from HTTPS to HTTP. HSTS, won't allow this and won't even give us the opportunity to proceed and visit the site. So the second thing that HSTS help us is the fake certificates. If an attacker even tries to pass us a fake certificate, HSTS won't allow it because HSTS also only trusts signed certificates from valid and legit certificate authorities. There are some problems that still exist though. The legit fake certificates. I think that most of you know the DigiNotar story. Do you? No? Yeah. So in a nutshell, what happened, DigiNotar was a Dutch security authority that was certificate authority that was passing around certificates, and a guy hacked them and passed to Iranian guys that was browsing Google's fake but legit certificates. HSTS can't do something for this, unfortunately. The other problem is the first time. So when I browse a site for first time, our browser doesn't know that the site supports HSTS. So if you try to do man-the-middle attack on someone who visits a site for first time, you can easily do it. The problem is that now Google Chrome and I think Firefox has a preloaded list for the most common sites like Facebook, Google, and you can't even do it. The last problem is the Beast. Do you know Beast? Yeah, we can't do something about this. But I think we'll find a solution, and crime too. I didn't mention it. So the conclusion is that HSTS is really something useful and we have to use it. It has many facilities, as said, but does not solve all the TLS and SSL problems. We must use it and we should support it. We should really support it because many browsers does not. You can leave a feedback at nikosdan.com.